Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May 30th, 2023. We're going to talk about Netflix today. Real quick, you guys can actually tell that from our prior price prediction, which was produced on or in or around, May the 12th, May the 13th, we was already looking for the price in Netflix to go higher. And you guys can see already the market has exceeded our ultimate TP price. So I want to say congratulations to those who got 10.38% out the market. That is how we're able to win in this game, is by predicting. And here's another accurate prediction being played out in real time. Now, we were to get out the market now in Netflix. Take a look at this though. We would have a profit of around 16.05%. So either way it go, we're winning. That's what we're supposed to do in this market. So now let's talk about the market in Netflix, because obviously the market has been bullish. The market has gone higher. We've been trending, looking at the price action in Netflix for a while, and you guys can actually tell that the trend is not broken. Look at that. We're still seeing a massive trend in place in Netflix. So all in all, the idea that the market in Netflix is weak is not on the chart yet. Okay, we're still bullish. The market is still trending higher to the upside. And I wanted to show you here on the 2-weekly chart that charts don't lie. And you guys can tell that we saw over the last 2 weeks, we saw this put-to-go bar indicator being created, which simply tells us that the market is still aiming to move and is trying to move up. Okay, that's on the 2 weeks chart. Here's Netflix on the 3 weeks, and look at how wide that spread bar is on the 3-weekly time frame. Now we're starting out on a new one, so we still have 17 days and 16 hours left on this current 3-weekly price bar, which is right up here at the top of the screen. But nevertheless, seeing price in Netflix now break this resistance area at 374, 375, we're still bullish. So any movement to the downside, we don't want to see the price in Netflix fall no lower than 360 anymore. Okay, 360. As long as price in Netflix holds $360, price is still geared to trend up. Okay, now the next target into the market in Netflix outside of that 405 that the market has already hit, we'll have to zoom out and actually try to see how high price can move next. So the next area will look like it's going to be around like $425. Okay, we have 1 day and 6 hours left on this current monthly price bar, which is right here on the right of the chart, and the market still looks bullish. So the market in Netflix is definitely still showing us that it wants to move higher. Our next target is going to be around 425 to 430, and then the second target from there would be 460. Okay, that's it. We're done. We are going to look for price in Netflix to continue to trend higher, especially as long as the market holds, what was it, $360? Yeah, we'll do 355. So now let me go ahead and put this back on the daily chart for you, and we're going to go ahead and put on another price prediction, looking for Netflix to go higher. Okay, so now we've already been on a pretty good run in Netflix. So you may be wondering, should I get into the market now? We're getting an up fake already being generated on the daily chart, which is indicative of weakness. Now I told you that we don't want the market in Netflix to fall below 360. So that's 8.25%. So even if we do see the market in Netflix fall below 375, we still have another placeholder, 360, to keep the market idea that price is still bullish. Okay, now that first target that we talked about, let me go ahead and put it back on 2 weeks. The first target that we talked about for Netflix, let me switch it over to 5 because it'd be better, would be $425. Okay, so that's going to be our first target for Netflix, 425. And you guys can see, let's go ahead and see how much that would be. 425. So that's around what, 10.66%. Okay, 425 there will be our first target. 450 will be our second target, which is around 17.15%. Now, it may take some time to hit that $450 price in Netflix, so just be prepared that this is not one of those stocks that I am looking forward to really break out and go up there to 450 that fast. So just be prepared for that as well too, okay? So now let me go ahead and fix all this back up. And put this up there to where the price currently is trading. And we'll be through. Okay. So now let me bring it down to 360. Okay. And that is it. So we got two targets, 425 and 450 in the market in Netflix. Like I said, I'm not looking for it to be like a moonshot, a rocket shot up there that fast. If it happens, so be it. That's cool. But if it doesn't, we understand why. But this market currently is definitely still looking bullish. Now, give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.